Hello friends, today I'm back with one more summer treat for you. We are going to make Mango Lychee Delight. It's very healthy, fuss-free dessert with just 3 ingredients. You don't even need to add sugar because the mangoes are sweet and so are the lychees. And they pair very well together in any dessert, especially this one. So you can make this in 2 ways. One is the softer texture or consistency like custard, so you can enjoy it in bowls. And the second way is to make a firm consistency like china grass, for which you can increase the quantity of gelatin so that it's nice and firm. You can cut it into pieces and enjoy. So make it the way you like, and let's get started. Mango Lychee Delight, a delicious guilt-free summer treat made with just fruit pulp, no artificial flavors or sugar added to it. Such a lovely creamy texture. The second way is firm texture like china grass. You can just cut into it. Each bite is so delightful. A treat for Weight Watchers too. So make and enjoy both the varieties. You'll definitely want to make this dessert again and again. To make the Mango Lychee Delight, I've taken mangoes 4, lychees about 12, veg gelatin granules 1 teaspoon, and sugar is optional or use only if the mangoes are not too sweet. Extract the pulp, peel the mango, cut the pieces and blend them. Peel the lychees and de-seed them, cut into thin strips. Now, in a cup, take 4 to 5 tablespoons of hot water. This is veg gelatin. You could use any gelatin, normal one also, whichever you find. I'm using 1 teaspoon. This is for the custard-like consistency. Take a small balloon whisk and whisk it well until the granules are all dissolved in the water nicely. You will see slowly there will be bubble formation, which means the mixture is ready. Such simple desserts are so enjoyable in summer. Less time you spend in the kitchen, yet you have something nice and refreshing to enjoy. Now you can see all the granules are mixed very well. Now transfer the puree into a larger bowl. At this stage you taste the mango puree. If it is not sweet, only then you add little bit of sugar. I am not adding any because the mango was very sweet. Add the lychees. Give them a mix. Now stir in the gelatin mixture. I am pouring into the mango puree bowl so that I can remove all the puree that is stuck to the bowl. Now add it and mix it very well. This is such an easy peasy dessert and a healthy option because we are just eating the mango puree and fruits by themselves without the addition of any artificial flavors or sugar. Now pour it into the serving dish for setting. If you use a flat dish, it will take less time to set. It will be done faster. This is one of my favorite desserts. I love mangoes and I love lychees. Garnish it with lychee halves. Which is your favorite fruit? Do let me know in the comment section. Lovely. Now refrigerate it for a couple of hours and you can enjoy it chilled. Dish it out into individual bowls and serve. Such a lovely summer treat. Do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. Now let's make the second method. Here I've extracted mango pulp from 3 mangoes, shredded lychees, about 10 of them. Take hot water for mixing the gelatin. Earlier we used 1 teaspoon, now we are going to use 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Measure it out and add it to hot water. Now using a small balloon whisk it very nicely until the granules are all dissolved. We'll set it aside to cool a bit before adding it to the pulp. Now first mix the lychees. Now add the gelatin mixture. That's it. Now just give it a nice mix. This we are going to pour into silicone mold because it will be firm in texture and it will be easy to demold and serve. Pour it into any shape, round, square. First we are going to set it a little bit for half an hour. When it is half done, then we can garnish with lychees, otherwise they'll sink in. Place the lychee halves on top. Press them firmly. Now again place it back in the refrigerator until it sets very well. It may take 3 to 4 hours. Now demold and serve it chilled. Let's do the tasting. You can see the texture, it's nice and firm, unlike the previous one. Very delicious. So friends, which one do you prefer, the softer consistency or this one? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Here are the links to some of my older videos. You can watch them in case you wish to. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.